AI-generated history shorts are getting popular on YouTube, and these channels are earning thousands of dollars every single month by using simple AI tools which are 100% free to use. In this video, I will tell you the full tutorial. So let's start by creating a video idea. We will be using ChatGPT for our video idea generation and write the prompt. For example, give me 10 short ideas about the French history. Then pick a suitable prompt for yourself and ask for the script generation, which we will later use for AI voiceover. After you have generated your script, ask ChatGPT for image generation prompts for the above video. If it gives only a single prompt, ask for multiple prompts for the video. Then head to Leonardo AI for free image generation. This a free AI tool, so anybody can use it, and it creates amazing images. Then, one by one, paste all the prompts and create images in the ratio of YT shorts. And after that, download and save all the images. Now for the AI voiceover, we will use elevenlabs AI. It has some amazing voices which is suitable for this kind of content. Simply paste the script from ChatGPT to elevenlabs, and then click on Generate and then download the voice. Now we will start our editing. We will use CapCut, a free editing software for video editing. Now we will add all the images which we generated one by one and see what image matches the voiceover. It will take a few minutes, but yeah, this is smart work. AI tools made this work very, very easy for us. After adding the images, you can add some transitions if you want, and also effects, but don't ruin the quality of the video after adding all the images and effects. Use the auto caption feature of CapCut to create the captions and resize them, and use which template or font which like to use. After completing the video, export the video in 9:16 ratio, and don't forget to choose 60 frames per second. It makes the video look smooth, and this is how you can earn a good amount of income from YouTube Shorts. You just need to spend some minutes every day. These are very easy, and you can also bulk produce them for scheduling. I will show you the end result. But first, if you want to earn thousands of dollars per month, you need to be consistent to see results, produce high-quality content, and be consistent. You can post once a day or 2 times a day max. And don't compromise in quality. Just keep all the work nice, and be consistent, and subscribe my channel for more AI-related videos.
Napoleon Bonaparte, one of history's most iconic figures, began his journey as a young soldier from Corsica. Rising rapidly through the ranks during the French Revolution, his military genius earned him widespread fame. In 1799, Napoleon seized power in a coup, establishing himself as first consul of France. But he wasn't done yet. Just a few years later, in 1804, he crowned himself emperor, solidifying his control over the French Empire. His reforms modernized France, but his ambition led to wars that changed the face of Europe forever. This is the story of Napoleon's rise, from soldier to emperor,